Good morning, friends. Miss Doris, discovering at a distance. And for cooking today, I thought we'd make a very yummy snack, and it's called butterfly yummy. That looks so pretty, doesn't it? So come with me and I'll show you what ingredients we need. We need a waffle that we're going to toast in the toaster. I have a kiwi. I have 3 round balls of vanilla ice cream. And I decided to use raisins for his antennas. And a strawberry. And I'm using a plastic knife to be safe so we can cut the waffle to make its wings. Okay, friends, let's assemble it. I'm going to cut my waffle like this, but then turn it around like this so it makes wings. And I've already cut all my stuff up, my strawberries, my kiwi, and I'm using the raisins for the antenna. I have my ice cream here. See, I got my ice cream between the wings. I'm going to put my strawberries at the top, flare them out so that they look like wings. And then I'm putting the 2 kiwis at the end. And then I'm going to put my raisins for the antennas. And now you have your butterfly yummy. I hope you enjoyed our little snack cooking today, and I'm going to have me a delicious bite, so enjoy.